Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to create this app symbol raining notification on your Samsung Galaxy device. So this feature turns a regular notification into a full visual experience. So instead of a boring pop-ups, whenever you receive a notification, the actual app icon rains down your screen. So this is combined with glowing edge lighting that wraps around your display. So every app has its own unique effect, color, and animation, making the notification instantly recognizable even from a distance. So here you say, for example, if I get a notification from messages, I'll have the message app icons. If I get something from WhatsApp, I'll have the WhatsApp notification. So you can see the WhatsApp icons are raining down here. So with this notification animation, I can go ahead and just look at my phone from a distance and see that I have a notification from a certain app. So let me show you how you can turn this feature on. So for this, you need to go ahead and open up the GoodLock app. Now in the GoodLock app, scroll down and find the Edge Lighting Plus. Now go ahead and switch this feature on, then tap on Set Custom Style. And here you need to go ahead and set what kind of style you want. So say, for example, a raining effect, a cloud effect, star, bubbles, snow effect. So there's all different types of styles that you can choose from. Let's go ahead and choose the snow effect here, and let's just make it a bit larger so we can see what's exactly happening. Next, I'm going to go ahead and choose more. Now I'll go ahead and press done. Now once that's done, you want to go ahead and scroll down and find this here, show app icon instead of custom style image. Make sure this is turned on. So this will change the style image to app icons of the notifications. So now that's done. Now go ahead and test it out. So here I'll go ahead and test out a WhatsApp notification, and you'll see that the notifications of that app icon is now raining on your home screen. So like this, you can go ahead and customize this. So let's say, for example, you want less icons. So you can go ahead and tap on Advanced, Amount, change it to very few, and let's go ahead and just make it a bit smaller. Done. Now let's test it out again. And there you go. So we have a smaller icons now. So you instantly know which app sent the notification without unlocking. And you can also tell this by looking from far. It makes notification visually exciting instead of annoying. It adds a premium, futuristic look to your phone. This is perfect for lock screen and always on display customization. And it makes your phone stand out from every other Samsung phone and iPhones. So there you go guys, that is how to create the app symbol raining notification on your Samsung Galaxy device.